I have huge breaking news. This is literal breaking news. This just came out. News out of the Supreme Court. And for once, it's actual good news. In a 7-2 vote, the Supreme Court of the United States determined Donald Trump violated Venezuelans' due process rights. This has to do with the migrants they deported and sent to that hellhole of a prison in El Salvador, where they will never see the light of day again. Many of whom, as we now know and have learned, did absolutely nothing wrong, are not criminals, are not gang members. They violated their due process rights because they were not given their day in court. The only two dissenters, which I'm sure you can probably guess, Samuel Alito and Clarence Thomas. Typical. They're Trump cucks. What was surprising, though, Donald Trump's picks, all of the people he put on the Supreme Court, voted against him. In addition to saying they violated their due process rights, they also said they are continuing to uphold the lower court's decision to block deportation of the Venezuelans. This is temporary, but they've said you cannot deport any more Venezuelans that you're accusing of being gang members until all of this is settled. What they've done is instructed the lower courts to review these cases and to determine what deportation procedures would comply with the Constitution, meaning how much notice should these people be given before they're deported. Donald Trump and his administration was saying, 24 hours, and that's good enough. You have people who don't speak English in many cases, don't read English. They're shoving these documents in front of them to sign that they cannot read. They're lying to them, telling them that it says something that it does not. They're giving them no option. They're not allowing them enough time to find an attorney, find out what their rights are and what's going to happen to them. I'm pleasantly surprised. At the same time, I'm upset and irritated that they are kicking this back down to a lower court, because you just know we're going to end up back in the Supreme Court again after the appeals court makes a decision. So why not just make the decision? Just do it.